When planning a basement renovation, avoid common pitfalls. First, set a clear budget to guide your project. Research the reputation of potential renovation companies by checking reviews and testimonials. Ensure your contractor understands local building codes to avoid permit issues. Lastly, compare quotes for quality, not just price. Basement renovations typically take 4 to 8 weeks, depending on the project's scope. Permits are usually required to meet building codes. You can customize your design, and we offer financing options to make renovations affordable. Living at home during renovations is possible, though expect some disruptions. We provide a warranty on our workmanship and offer design assistance. Our team includes all necessary professionals, so no additional contractors are needed. Ready to transform your basement? Contact us at 301-709-6868 or visit BethesdaBasementRenovations.com to schedule a free consultation and quote. Our team will work with you to create a custom design that fits your needs and preferences. Thank you for considering Bethesda Affordable Custom Basement Renovation Services for your next project.